Assalamu alaikum friends, hello everyone. Once again, welcome to back our channel, Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I'm living your Almighty. Keep you happy, keep you homes inhabited and may you continue to enjoy like this I mean. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing stylish crochet skirt designs. Small skirt designs, long skirt designs, very amazing colorful crochet, beautiful skirt designs, ideas collection for women and girls ideas collection, beautiful patterns, beautiful designs, very amazing colorful crochet skirt designs, ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people and with all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs. Brought to the channel in the first time. You can also buy it in the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend. There, inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion in videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every day are lovely designs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Well, remember, pray and Allah Hafiz. Thank you.